In this video, I'll show you how to send files from your laptop to your phone using Bluetooth. First, open Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now click Add Device and select Bluetooth device. Once the devices are connected, minimize the settings window. Now click the Bluetooth icon in the taskbar again and select Send a File. Choose your connected phone from the list and click Next. Click Browse and select the photo, document, or other file you want to send. After selecting the file, click Next to begin the transfer. A notification will appear on your phone asking you to accept the incoming file. Tap Accept on your phone. The file transfer will begin and may take a few moments depending on the file size. Once the transfer is complete, the file will be saved on your phone. That's it. This is how you can send files from a laptop or PC to a phone using Bluetooth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.